Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Access number 74468-04-01. This is a riser plate for their 900 series mechanical push-button deadbolt sort of lock. Not deadbolt, but dead latch deadbolt. So the 900 series is going to be comprised of different functions. You're going to have your 902, your 904, 906, 910, and those are going to be bolt styles. And then you're going to have your 917, 919, 935, 938. Those are latching types. And you've got some ancillary items that go along with that as well. The functions are simple and straightforward to understand. The 02 is for doors from 1 3/8 to 1.5 inches thick. If you've got a door 1 3/4 to 2 1/8, you want the 04 function. Then you're dealing with, well, the fact of the matter is there's a link below this video to a document called Catalog section. Page 2 gives you the legend or the matrix by which you can determine the exact function you need based on your application. Just to finish off that, the 06 and 10 models, same thickness, 1 3/8, 1 3/4 range, with the key override. The 904, the 902, and the 04 are non-key override, and then the balance of the information is also given on that sheet, where you can determine the different functions and how to build the complete part number. Now, the item that we have here, the 744680401. This is what's called a riser plate. 3 pieces are included. The riser plate itself and then a couple of adapter pieces. You'll notice that they are the same shape, but their thicknesses are different. Okay. You've got your riser plate. Take note of how deep it is here. Take note of how shallow it is here. There's a different depth there. Okay. This riser plate is used to shim the lock off the face of the door, either 1/4 inch or 3/8 of an inch. Why you would want that? Well, your door could be recessed in, as typical doors are. Hollow metal doors certainly are recessed in about 3/32 of an inch, a little bit. Aluminum doors certainly are. Your construction of a wooden gate or your garage door could be such that you need to pad the lock off, maybe to be more compatible with your installation and how you're mortising or installing the strike plate. Now, if you need to shim it off 1/4 inch, you'll set the body into the deeper side and then apply the thin shim here. It fits in there, trust me. Then you're going to have your installation where it fits in flush and your lock will sit in here. The important part being is that it's flush on the back side. If you're going to do the 3/8, you're going to flip it over, of course. This and the indent here allows the lock to stand proud of the face of the door more, and then you're going to use the thicker plate in the same sort of installation that you see here, so that it's completely flush with the face of the door when installed. Okay. When you have the lock in your hand and you're putting it on the door, it becomes evident how this can only work. So it's not unusual to need these shim plates. We don't sell them often, but there are applications, and generally when I've installed it, I've needed to hold the lock proud off the face of the door because I was not in a good position where the strike was going to be applied to the jamb post. I've installed this for people when they were doing a garage, a side garage door in a residential application. The 900 series is ideal for that. You need quick, easy access, mechanical combination. It's good for an exterior door. It holds up very well, and it's great for that lock. And I've had to use the shim plate there or the riser plate to back it off. I've had people install it on exterior gates. Obviously, I would not recommend, of course, that lock getting exposure, direct exposure to the environment, rain, snow. But I can tell you, it's worked great for the client for years and years and years, whatever the case might be. Below this video are several links: cut sheet, parts list, changing the code installations, the instructions that are included with this, which kind of make it clear how you're going to stack that plate depending on how you're using it. This is the 04, and that's in the part number. That means satin brass. You can do the 26D, which would be a chrome finish. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Kaba Access parts that we sell in our site, but several different helpful links along with a link to the manufacturer's page. If you have any questions on the Kaba Access 74468-04-01 riser plate or any other Kaba Access product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.